Stunt driving in Barrie, what you need to know. Are you aware that Barrie has seen a staggering 152% increase in stunt driving charges since 2015? I'll break down the unique enforcement patterns in Barrie, reveal the concerning statistics behind this surge, and explain what happens when you face stunt driving charges in Barrie's Provincial Offences Court. I'm Jonathan Cohen, a partner at Next Law, Ontario's dedicated stunt driving law firm. Barrie's unique roadways and enforcement. Barrie presents distinctive challenges for drivers that have contributed to its rising stunt driving rates. The Highway 400 corridor running through Barrie creates significant opportunities for high speed driving, making it a primary enforcement target. What many drivers don't realize is that Barrie Police Service and OPP conduct targeted operations at specific hotspots throughout the city. Our analysis has identified five major enforcement zones in Barrie. What makes Barrie unique is how its position as a gateway to cottage country creates seasonal enforcement patterns. Law enforcement frequently conducts operations during both morning and evening rush hours using marked and unmarked vehicles. Weekend enforcement is particularly intense on Highway 400 and routes leading to cottage country. Alarming statistics. Barrie's stunt driving surge. The numbers tell a concerning story about stunt driving in Barrie. In 2024, Barrie recorded 829 stunt driving charges, an all-time high that represents a 34% increase from the previous year. This continues a troubling trend that has seen charges more than double since 2015. Charges have surged dramatically to reach the current record high. How does this compare provincially? Barrie's 152% increase since 2015, it exceeds the Ontario provincial average of 146%, placing Barrie 20th amongst Ontario's 53 court jurisdictions. What does this mean for Barrie drivers? Simply put, the risk of receiving a stunt driving charge in Barrie is higher than most other Ontario municipalities. Barrie court processes and consequences. If you're facing a stunt driving charge in Barrie, your case will be heard at the Provincial Offences Court located at 45 Cedar Point Drive. Understanding this court's specific procedure can significantly impact your case outcome. Barrie's court has distinct tendencies when handling stunt driving cases. The consequences of stunt driving conviction in Barrie are severe and immediate. Your vehicle will be impounded at the roadside for 14 days. Your license will be suspended for 30 days on the spot. Upon conviction, you face a minimum $2,000 fine, possibly up to $10,000, and up to 6 months in jail. Your license will be suspended for at least 1 year, and you also receive six demerit points and more. Beyond these immediate penalties, the long-term impacts can be devastating. Insurance premiums typically increase dramatically, often lasting 3 or more years. For Barrie's large commuter workforce and seasonal tourism employees, a stunt driving conviction can seriously threaten employment opportunities. In Barrie, it requires specialized knowledge. Each case presents unique circumstances and potential defenses. These might include technical defenses challenging speed measurement equipment, necessity defenses such as establishing legitimate reasons for exceeding speed limits, and charge applications identifying rights violations during traffic stops and negotiated resolutions with Barrie prosecutors. When facing stunt driving charges in Barrie, having representation with local court experience can make a critical difference in your outcome. If you're facing stunt driving charges in Barrie, contact my office, Next Law, immediately. The sooner we begin working on your case, the more options we have for achieving a positive outcome. For more insights about Ontario driving laws or how to protect your rights, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can text us, you can call our office at any time, and we're happy to help. Remember, while complete dismissals are very rare, there are always paths to better outcomes in stunt driving cases. A key to understanding the unique aspects of Barrie's enforcement and court system and working with experienced professionals who know how to navigate the system can be very beneficial for your stunt driving case.